Welcome you all to grade 9 English online class. Today we are going to discuss activity number 11 in unit number 4, Extend Friends. So take out your pupils book and turn to page number 41. This is a writing activity and today you are going to learn about how to write a notice and a note. Read the following notice and the note. Notice. So look, this is the correct format of writing a notice, right? It is inside a box. We can see the notice. Topic is here, the date, and the person who is writing is given here. A documentary on the life on the Stone Age will be screened on Friday, 20th February from 2:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. at the auditorium of Nilmalvila Mahavidyalaya. So, this is about a documentary. ඒ කියන්නේ වාර්තාවක්. What is the name of this documentary? The Life in the Stone Age. And now they have used will be screened on. අනාගතයේදී මේක තියෙන්න යන්නේ. So you have to, when you are writing a notice, always you should use this tense. Will be screened on, the date, time, and the venue. කොහෙද තියෙන්නේ කියලා දීලා තියෙනවා. Reserve your seat before 10th February through your class teacher. So those who like to participate to this documentary, they have to give the name to the class teacher. So this is a notice. So normally we write notices to inform public about something. Not a personal thing, a public thing. We display these things in public, these notices in public places. පොදු ස්ථානවල තමයි අපි notice එකක් දාන්නේ. It is a formal thing. Formal විදිහට තමයි අපි මේක ලියන්නේ. ඒ වගේම ගොඩක් දෙනෙක්ට ආමන්ත්‍රණය කරන්න තමයි අපි notice එකක් ලියන්නේ. So this is the form. The difference between the note and the notice is we are writing notes for personal purposes. පෞද්ගලික කාරණයක් සඳහා. Especially to give a message to a friend or a relation, we can write a note. But this is not a letter. Letter එකක් වගේ නෙවෙයි because this is not lengthy. ගොඩක් දිගට ලියන්නේ නැහැ ලියුමක් වගේ. Only giving a message. 2 or 3 sentences. Now let's move on to the note. Here you can see the date, receiver's name, ලබන්නාගේ නම, sender's name at the end. And there are only 3 sentences. There's a documentary on the life in the Stone Age at Nilmalvila Mahavidyalaya auditorium on the 20th February. Would you like to see it? Our teacher want to reserve the seats. Write to me immediately. Now, one of the student is writing to her friend about the documentary given here. She's asking whether her friend would like to join with her to go to this documentary. So they have to reserve the seats. එතකොට මේකට යන්න කැමතිද කියලා තමයි මෙයාගෙන් මේ අහන්නේ. So that is a small message. Just like a SMS. Nowadays you use SMS to give messages, no? So like that we can write a little note to somebody and give it. Right? Imagine you're Shireen and write a reply to Sharada. Now you have to write a note to whom? To Sharada. You have to write a note to Sharada mentioning whether you would like to join with her or not. So how are you going to write it? Here, this is the format of a note. I have written the date. Now we are going to write it to Sharada. So you have to write Dear Sharada, or you can just write the name. That is the receiver's name. ලබන්නගේ නම. At the end, you have to write the sender's name. Who is sending it? Now it is Shireen. ඉස්සලා Shireen Sharadata එවෝ දැන් Sharada Shireenට යවනවා. So this is my note. You have to write your own note. I also saw the notice about the documentary. I would like to take part in it with you. Can you reserve a seat for me too? So now, according to my note, I wrote that Shireen also like to join this documentary, and at the end I wrote I would like to take part in it with you. Can you reserve a seat for me too? Like that. There are only 3 sentences here. So just like that you also have to write a note according to your ideas, right? Do not copy this one, you can write your own one. And next one, imagine that grade 9 pupils of your school have organized an exhibition, evolution of man. Write a notice informing all the pupils, teachers and parents about exhibition. Mention the date, venue and the importance of the exhibition. So here you have to write a notice like this. About what? About an exhibition. The name is this. Inform කරන්න ඕනේ මොනවා ගැනද? Informing all the pupils and teachers. So you should invite all the pupils and teachers to this exhibition. Mention the date, venue and the importance of the exhibition. So you have to mention all these things. The format is this. So you can write the grade 9 pupils of our school have organized an exhibition called Evaluation of Man. It will be held on the date at the date and the time and the venue. It will be held on this date, this place. All the pupils and the teachers are invited to this exhibition. This is about the evolution of man. It කියලා ඒ කියන්නේ ඒ ගැන මොනවා හරි විස්තර ටිකක් ගොඩක් ලියන්න එපා, just 4-5 sentences, but you should mention all these important facts given here. Here I have given you another example. Think that you have to organize an English activity day in school. You have to organize an English activity day. So write a notice to display in the notice board. So here the topic notice, date at the end, and the person who is writing the notice is given, and it is inside a box. An English activity day will be held on. Make the unknown anyway. On 19th of June 2021 at 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. Or you can write from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. in the school main hall, the venue. And then here, this is a comma, under the supervision of the English teachers. English teachers like all the students are invited. That's all. So according to the question given, you have to write the notice. ඒගොල්ලන් දීලා තියෙනවා නම් තොරතුරු ටිකක් මෙන්න මේවා ඇතුළත් කරන්න කියලා ඒව ටික දාන්න. And this, you should remember the format also, and these words also will be held on, in, at. Those things you should know. Right. Write a note to your cousin inviting him or her to the exhibition. After writing this notice, you have to write a note also. The first thing you have to write is you have to write a reply to this note. The second one, you have to write a notice about this situation, about this exhibition. Number 3, write a note to your cousin inviting him or her to the exhibition. So when you are writing the note, you have to use this format. So you have to write the name of the cousin. If you take cousin, you have to write cousin, date and your name here, and then you can write grade 9 pupils of our school have organized an exhibition of evaluation of man. It will be held on this day. Would you like to take part in this exhibition? Please send me a message soon. මේ සාමාන්‍යයෙන් ඔයගලන්ට ප්‍රශ්න දීලා තියෙන ටිකම යූස් කරලා notice එකයි note එකයි දෙකම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So today complete activity number 11, both all A, B, C. Right, that's all for today.